Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this video doorbell camera kit from TP-Link. The model Tapo D230S1. Smart, secure, easy. With wire-free placement with 180-day battery life, 2K 5-megapixel color night vision, human package detection and more, head-to-toe view, IP64 water and dust resistant, two-way audio communication, quick response, works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, hub included at the box, flexible storage choice up to 256 GB, save recorded videos on the hub as indoor chime, choose from a variety of ringtones to replace a traditional wired chime. 4:3 aspect ratio captures more field of view compared with traditional 16:9 aspect ratio, provides higher quality security view with 2K 5-megapixel resolution, smart AI identifies people, pets and packages, notifying users as needed, and all that settings and options you can adjust from the Tapo app, download from Google Play Store or App Store. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course, included at the box we have the quick start guide. If you want to read, it's your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. Ring button icons on a different languages. I like that. Press here. Nice. Another quick start guide. So let's see one by one what we have at the box. Screws for mounting at the wall, the extraction tool with another 4 small screws. You can use this extraction tool here, press, and you can remove the back cover from the doorbell. And here you can insert the battery. There's the battery. And the battery, it is 3.6 volt, 6700 mAh, 24.12 watt hours, charging voltage 4.2 volt. And we have here an indicator. That means you can charge this battery before installing at the doorbell if you want. Included we have this cable, micro USB, it is about 30 centimeter, and the power adapter, it is 5 volt, 1 amp output, 5 watt power consumption. Plug it in, and we have here an orange LED indicator, that means it's charging. When it goes to green, it is fully charged. So let's leave that here. Maybe I will connect it later at the doorbell. We have this mounting plate 15 degrees angle, I can say, yep, correct. It depends where you want to install your doorbell, facing in the correct position, so that the mounting blade, it will help you. I like it. The placement sticker, it will help you to drill the holes for this mounting blade. The power adapter, it is for the hub, and it is about 2 meters. And here we have a 9 volt, 0.85 amp, 7.6 watt power consumption. Included we have one Ethernet cable. It is about 1 meter. You can connect the hub at your router. And of course we have in this 3M tape. If you don't want to use the screws, you can just install here the 3M tape. It is very strong. and mount it at the wall. Just clean the surface very well and mount it at the wall. So let's move on at the hub. Here we have the sync button, the reset button, the slot for the micro SD, maximum 512 GB, connection for the Ethernet cable, and of course connect the power adapter. LED indicator here, the speaker. You can use this hub and as a chim, I will show you. So many accessories, I like that. Now let's move on at the doorbell, video doorbell. Press here, it is the ring button. At the base here we have the speaker. At the front here we have the spotlight, I like the spotlight. The light sensor here, the motion sensor here around, and of course we have the 2K lens here, high definition. And here it is the microphone. I like the shape, it looks great, black and white, matte black, and the same and the white. Now at the back we have the sync reset button here, and here it is the anti-theft button. When the anti-theft alarm is enabled on the Tapo app, an alarm will trigger once the doorbell is removed. I like that, another protection. So of course we can connect right now the battery pack at the back, and we can charge it later. Press, and that was all. We can see here we have a silicone rubber, this red around. It will seal very well the battery compartment. And just press. Yep, it's working. It has battery. And the only way to remove it is with this pin. Just press and remove. I like that. And at the back here we can see we have one hole here and one hole here. You can screw this back plate at any position you want. At the wall, of course. Press and it will lock again. Accidentally I have pressed the button. We can see green and red LEDs flashing. I think it is ready for connection. Right now I need to connect and the hub. First the hub. Plug it in and the hub. We can see the red LED. And of course I need to plug this on my router, the Ethernet cable. Tapo app, add a device, doorbells, but first we need to add the Tapo hub, Tapo H200. Next, I am already connected. Already solid amper, there it is, enable, there it is the device, Tapo hub. Next, living room, choose an icon, set up local storage, got it, hub placement, okay, thank you, update. We have a new firmware update, let's wait for the update. Setup complete, pair another device, and I need the Tapo D230. Power up your Tapo device, okay, I have done that. Install the battery, next, already red and green, select your Tapo device. Both are flashing green, and the hub.
Device added successfully.
Perfect.
I found Tapo _doorbell_2348.
Thank you, Alexa. And of course you can rename just Tapo doorbell. Next, living room, custom, it is your choice. Hallway. Next, choose the icon. Next, Congratulations! Next. And we have the Tapo Care Cloud service, try it free for 30 days. Skip for now. Mount your doorbell. Some instruction on how to do that. Charge the battery before use. This will take about 5 to 6 hours. You can test the Wi-Fi signal. Next. You can mount with adhesive, mount with screws. Not for now. I am okay. Exit. And there it is, the doorbell and the Tapo hub. And we have a firmware update. I can say the old process to install the video doorbell and the hub was very easy. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes, very fast. Hello my viewers, welcome back. Person detected and we can see the time. Instant notification on my smartphone. It doesn't take no more than 3 seconds to have notification. Great video quality. The 2K resolution is the next level on the surveillance camera. I can see very well everything around me in a high definition. The field of view, it is huge. Ultra wide, 160 degrees diagonal. And the sound quality from the microphone is crystal clear. I can hear anyone in front of the camera and the surroundings. Now let's press the button on my doorbell. Sound from the hub and the doorbell. And again I have notification on my smartphone to respond and check who is in front of my doorbell. And of course I can mute or respond. And I can start the two-way audio communication, communicate with anyone. If I'm outdoors, give instruction to the delivery guy
For the package, or if it is any suspicious person, then tell him to step away from your front door. And my voice is sounding like that from the speaker of this doorbell. Crystal clear, definitely without a doubt.
and you can mute the microphone or the speaker. You can take a screenshot, save it to phone album, and start recording. Save it again to memory. And of course you can end the call. And again, the sound quality from the mic record is amazing. Together, same the video quality. Now let's move on and check more features about this camera. I can choose 2K 5 megapixel, 960p or auto or day mode or night mode, turn on the spotlight or turn off the spotlight. I will show you at the night. We can see the battery percentage, 94%, the day and the hour. Multiple cameras if you have, and back. You can take a screenshot, save it to memory, start recording again, save it to memory. Doorbell microphone, you can adjust. You can go at full screen. Exit. Talk. Hold to talk. And you can adjust the doorbell microphone again as you are talking and the doorbell speaker. Voice call. Mic is on, you can mute. The same for the speaker and the microphone. And you can adjust again the doorbell microphone. And hang up. The quick response.
Hi there. No one can answer the door right now. We are notified you stopped by. Hi there. Please leave the item by the door. I'll be there in a minute. Sorry, not interested. You are trespassing. Police have been called.
And of course you can edit the response, custom voice response, custom sound 1. Hello there, can I help you? You can record again, save. You can play, of course, the sound. And the custom sound.
Hello
I like it. You can record anything. Familiar voices from your family, your voice, whatever you want. Privacy mode on and exit. At the Tapo Care, here you can subscribe premium or basic. Playback and memory. So here you can choose, we can see person detection, answered ring, so many. Just choose one. You can take a screenshot, start recording, stop recording.
Resolution is the next level on the surveillance camera. See very well everything around me.
Mute the speaker, unmute.
Field of view it is huge.
And you can go at full screen.
160-degree diagonal.
Choose the speed.
And the sound quality. The field of view is
And of course you can adjust with your finger. Slide.
huge. I can mute or
Now, something that I don't like, I can't download this footage. To download any of this footage, let's say if it is the answered ring with a blue color or the person detection with a light green, well, just slide at the beginning, play, start the recording process, and then just stop the recording process, go to the memory, there it is, and then you can just play if you want, delete, download, favorite and share. That is the only way that you can download this footage with sound. If you want, you can remove the micro SD, install it to your PC or laptop, and then download the footage, but you don't have any sound at this option. If you want to have sound on your video, you can only download that way. Play back, start recording, stop recording, and then add the memory, choose the file, tap download. It is a little bit frustrating, but it's the only way. Now let's move on at the settings. Tap on Doorbell, choose different icon, doorbell name, the MAC address, hardware version and firmware version. Check for update, no updates. Time zone, you can change the time zone or the Tapo Care free trial you can start. Battery status, show on live view or not. Power saving mode, you can choose always on, auto or always off. Power saving mode automatically changes following settings to minimize power consumption. Shortest max clip length and record buffer, and lower infrared viewing distance or spotlight brightness. No, I think always off. It is on beta, of course. You can switch off the status LED at the front of the doorbell or on. Privacy zones. Activate. When enabled, the custom privacy zones cannot be viewed or monitored to protect your privacy. Landscape mode or add a zone. Then you will get this black area at your video footage and deactivate. Night mode settings. Infrared mode. You can choose medium, near or far. Full color or doorbell mode. Let's have it for now on the doorbell mode. I will check, of course, and the infrared mode at the night or the color mode. Spotlight brightness, and you can adjust the brightness, but first turn it on. 4, 3, 2, 1 to 5. The maximum. And off. detection, wake up settings, event detected, your doorbell wakes up when detected movement, or doorbell preset. Your doorbell wakes up and records video only when it is pressed. At other times it will sleep and disable video recording to save battery mode. Event detected, and you can adjust the sensitivity from 1 to 10. Motion detection, deactivate or activate. Adjust the sensitivity from 1 to 10. Activity zones. The camera will only detect motion in custom zones. Okay. So let's adjust it at this area. Save. And add zone. You can add another zone if you want. It is your choice. Delete. Customize the motion detection zones to only capture what happens in the set zones. So let's test it. Here I am. I don't receive any notification. Let's move on at the zone. There it is, motion detected. Thumbs up, it's working. I like it. Again at the activity zone. Delete all, clear, add, and we need to have on all the area. AI detection, person detection. You can enable, disable, and adjust the sensitivity from 1 to 10. Pet detection, it is on beta, and again you can adjust the sensitivity from 1 to 10. Vehicle detection, same, adjust the sensitivity. If your video doorbell it is near on your garage door, it may detect the vehicle. Package detection, so I would like to test on that. Person detected, and I have these packets. I'm just going to leave these packets here. You need to have the packets at the field of view of the camera. Packets detected. I like it. How wonderful is that? Playback and memory. There it is, packets detection. I like when a product is working as it should be. Activity notification. You can disable or enable. Reach notification. You need to activate the Tapo care. Send me notification always during the day, during the night, custom time, and you can adjust from to choose the days of the week and save. Always. Micro SD card, and you can disable or enable the loop recording. New recordings will override previous recordings when storage is not enough. You can clear all recordings or format the micro SD card, and you can see the remaining capacity, this device and other devices. Micro SD card recording disable or enable. Recording schedule, and here we have the detection recording on yellow color, don't record on white. Edit, clear all, no recording. Edit again, and you can adjust with your finger, choose the days of the week, the hours, save. So we can see on Monday 1 to 2 o'clock it will record, or at the Saturday 3 to 9 o'clock, or at the Wednesday. Edit again, clear all, select all, detection recording, record only when an event is detected to save storage. Of course, you don't have the option to continuous recording because this is a battery doorbell. Clip settings, retrigger time, set intervals between event trigger recording from 0 to 60 seconds. 0. Record buffer. When motion is no longer detected, the camera will keep recording from 3 to 10 seconds. 10 seconds. And the maximum clip length, it is 120 seconds, 2 minutes, from 20 seconds. 2 minutes. Set the maximum length for a single clip. Longer recording will be divided into multiple clips. You could extend the battery life by setting longer retrigger time, okay? Doorbell ring. Off or on. Sound, high, normal or low, high. Ring connected hub, on. You can deactivate the hub, activate. Hub sound setting. You can adjust the volume from 1 to 10. And you can choose 3 different sounds. Schedule all day or custom time. And you can choose the days of the week, start to end. All day. Doorbell video call. When someone presses your Tapo doorbell, your phone receives a call that displays as Tapo doorbell. Deactivate or activate. Anti-theft alarm. Well, I need to test that. Enable. We can see some information. When the alarm is triggered, the doorbell will sounding an alarm 15 minutes, send you up notification, keep recording for 15 minutes or until the alarm is disarmed. I like that. Not allow device resetting via the reset button. How to dismiss the alarm and how to pause the alarm. And I will remove with this pin the doorbell.
You have been recorded and the host has been notified. Please return the doorbell immediately.
Pressing for 5 seconds this button, it will pause the alarm, but if I'm going to release,
You have been recorded and the host has been notified. Please return the doorbell immediately.
or to disable, you can just press these 2 buttons and it will disable the alarm. If the thief knows that, it can disable the alarm. But until it will do that, it will send the recording to my smartphone. I like that. And of course, when the anti-thief is enabled, you cannot reset the device. Now I feel more safe for my doorbell. Video quality 2K 960 or auto 2K, I like the highest. Advanced settings, privacy mode. Enable the privacy mode or disable, it will switch off the camera. Record audio off or on. Power line frequency 50 or 60 Hz. Voice call mode, standard, provides better quality, compatible mode, ensures stability, and more. Standard. Display settings, hardware acceleration, improves performance and fluency, or compatible mode. On-screen display settings, off or on, timestamp, display a text, and you can just write something, maybe your name, whatever you want. Display logo off or on. Connect hub, doorbell signal strength, connected hub, and the hub connection type is Ethernet. Mounting guide, battery fully charged, okay. Share the device feedback and you can remove the doorbell. I like when a product has so many options and settings to adjust to your needs. And the Tapo Hub, I have made a video about this Tapo Hub. Many products from TP-Link Tapo, you can check all these products down below the description on the playlist Tapo. Tapo sound and alarm, off. Doorbell ring, custom siren sound, you can choose the volume from 1 to 10. Okay. So many. Siren direction from 5 seconds to 10 minutes or custom. Maximum, again, it is 9 minutes and 59 seconds. Settings. Device icon you can change, device name, device location, network connection, and of course you can set up a Wi-Fi network. If you don't have an Ethernet cable at the place you want to install the hub, you can just connect it wirelessly. Find the right position to have a good signal and just connect it. Choose your Wi-Fi network. Siren, again the same, status LED off or on, device info, firmware update, diagnostic, you can enable, auto reboot, you can enable in that, choose from to, reboot and remove the device. Paired devices, one doorbell, you can add more. You can add all these products. As I mentioned, I have made a video for all these products, you can check down below the description. And of course, the most important, you can create automation. That is amazing. Let's say you have, paired devices, and you can use the Tapo S200B or the S200D, install it outdoors at your front door, and when press it, it will sound the ring from the hub and use your hub as a doorbell. Or you can use the Tapo T100 or T110, the motion sensor and the contact sensor, and create your own security alarm at your home. Trigger it when the door is open or when it senses movement. You can do so many things with automation. I have done so many videos with TP-Link Tapo products. All these products and videos you can check down below at the description on the playlist TP-Link Tapo. Don't miss it, are very important videos. You will find out how you can make your home smarter. And now let's check and the video doorbell at the night. Hello again my viewers, now at the night with the infrared mode on. And notification on my smartphone instantly. Good quality video with the night vision on. I can see anyone in front of the camera. Changing to day mode with color vision in low light. If you need to choose day mode, it will have a better effect with some lights around. Street lights maybe, or even the light from the moon. It depends if the doorbell is indoors or outdoors. And again only on night mode. Turning on the spotlight. Now we have better view who is in front of the doorbell. Of course you can adjust that from the settings. When someone is pressing the doorbell button, then we'll turn on the spotlight to have better view. Closer the person to the doorbell, we have a better view. Spotlight off and on. Comparing both, we can see with the spotlight on is more clear the video. Approaching more at the camera, the visibility is higher. It was a long video my viewers, I think it's worth your time. Another good product from TP-Link. I like how it works. It has so many settings that you can adjust to your needs. Until now I didn't face any problem, everything is running very smooth. Definitely I would like to see how long it will last the battery. Time will tell. Again, thank you for watching, it means a lot for me. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.